Video.
His future plans are to work in the HVAC trade, and his favorite wrestling moment is being coach model and sitting on the wall with Jimbo and Ethan. Senior Lincoln Blackwood. Our next senior is Akil Burke. In addition to being on the wrestling team, he is also a member of the football team and participates in track. His future plans are to become an electrician, and his favorite wrestling moment was his first win as a Blue Devil wrestler. Now, Gilbert. Our next senior Blue Devil is Jalen Davis. Jalen is the son of Nicole and Ryan Williams, and he has participated in wrestling for 4 years. He wrestles in the 138 weight class, and he is a state qualifier. In addition to being a wrestler, he is also a member of our football team and track. His future plans are to attend vet school to get his veterinary license, and his favorite wrestling moment was Jaden Thompson running off the mat at Region Rules. Senior Jalen Davis. Our last senior wrestler is Martravius Carter. Rod is the son of Anisha Parker and the grandson of Brenda White and Patricia Parker. He has wrestled for 5 years and wrestles in the 132 weight class. His awards and recognition is he is also a national champion of the JROTC Raider team and also the second in state for the Raiders. He is also participating in our track program. His future plans are to join the police department in Gwinnett, and his favorite wrestling moment is having